Okay, so as I mentioned earlier to both of you, um, it'll be good for you to actually start off by accessing the lessons, right? Which you go to the tab and then you click on learn, and then you can try to go through the lessons maybe every day for a short while. Okay, and then you ask questions when you come to the session. Okay. So sorry. Okay, so today our first session is like this. Okay, we're going to cover these three areas which is very important in P6, right? Which is the grammar MCQs, right? The comprehension cloze. How many of you just love comprehension cloze? Do you? It's actually quite interesting. Actually, a very good way to learn and improve ourselves is by doing comprehension closes. Actually,
Synthesis is okay for me.
you like synthesis? Okay. Okay. So the whole idea is this, right? Every time after we finish this session, you have access to this presentation and the questions. What you need to do is after the session, you try to do those questions again. And it'll be good for the comprehension cloze for you to write out the whole passage. Because when you do that, subconsciously you learn. And automatically you improve your vocabulary, you improve your grammar. So bear that in mind that after we do the session, right? You during the week find some time, just like 10 minutes a day or something, and try to do those practice. Can you do that? Okay, so let's go into it. Okay, let's look at the first question. The woman blank just spoke to you at the entrance is the owner of the poultry farm. What would your answer be to this question?
Probably C.
C. And
C or D.
C or D. Okay, let us go through it. Okay, first of all, who are we talking about here?
The woman.
The woman. Is it is woman a person?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so if a woman's a person, which option cannot be included? A person. Okay.
Oh wait.
Like for example, I ask you, right? Someone came to my house yesterday. How would you ask me to know who the person is? What would you say?
Who?
Who, right? So who, you'll say who came to your house, correct? Is that correct? If someone gave you a present, then you say, I got a present. Then I'll ask you, who gave you the
present?
And what will your answer be?
The person who gave me the present?
Give me a name. Give me a name.
James.
Jane gave me a present. Or my mother gave me a present, right? Correct? Or she gave me a present, right? Is that correct? So who you use for people? Now, if I say, oh, I found a handphone, then what's your question? My question will be, whose handphone is it? Correct?
Yep.
Or I found a pen. What will your question be?
Whose pen is it?
Yes. Whose pen? That means the pen belongs to somebody. Correct. So whose also you can use for person, right? Yeah. It belongs to someone. It belongs to somebody. Belong. Now, when do you use whom? Give you an example. I gave my pen to him. I gave the phone to her. I gave my water bottle to them. Can you see that? When you use them, when you use he, him, her, to us, then you use to whom did you give it to? Can you see that? Sorry?
Computer.
I'm sorry?
Just stuck in this page.
You're stuck in the page, is it?
No, different. Oh, okay.
Okay. So when do you use which? When you're talking about objects or animals. So for example, this is the phone which my mother bought for me. This is the pen which my sister gave me. Can you see? That means that you're talking about the pen. You're talking about the phone. So now who are we talking about in this question?
The woman.
The woman. If I cancel the woman, what word can I fill up in this blank? Forget the woman. If I don't put the woman, what word? Don't look at these options. Don't look at the options. How will you complete this sentence? If I cancel this, how you fill the sentence?
Who just spoke to you?
You say, yeah, she just spoke to you at the entrance, right?
Oh, okay.
Or he just spoke to you at the entrance, right? Correct?
Yeah.
So the question will be what? If you want to ask a question,
Oh, wait.
who just spoke to you at the entrance? Can you see that?
With a question mark.
Yeah, that will be a question. So now let me erase this so that you can see clearly. The woman who, sorry. The woman who just spoke to you at the entrance is the owner of the poultry. Can you read the sentence for me, please, both of you?
The one who just spoke to the entrance, the owner of the poultry farm.
Yes, because the woman is the person who is speaking. Okay. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's try the next question. These books don't belong to you. They don't belong to you. They are
Ours.
They are ours. Why is it ours?
Because the boys claim. The
Yes.
boys claimed it's theirs, like not.
Boys is how many? Many, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
so it's ours.
Yeah. Why not they are yours?
Because they already say it doesn't belong to you.
Correct. They already said it doesn't belong to you. And why not say they are us?
Because that means that they are books.
Yes, it means that they are the books, right? So, and they cannot say they are we, right? That's obviously wrong. So definitely they are ours. Okay. Let's try next one. That's good, right? Okay. Now this is a tricky one. Think about it carefully. And I'd like to know what your options are.
B. Which?
Which?
Yes.
Both of you say which?
Yes.
Okay. Can you explain to me why is it which?
A, because like there's like what color do you like? It's not like they just give you two options.
Great. That's a good word because there's an option, right? There are options. Because there are options, you ask which. But if there's no option, then what would the answer be?
What?
Correct. Because it's open-ended. Like, what do you like? What do you want, right?
Yeah.
You don't say which do you want. Which do you which when you have an option. What? When there's no option.
Yeah.
Very good word. Okay. So you cannot say that color do you like that because it's a question, right? You cannot start with that. Right? This is, and you can't start with those because it's not a question. It's not, it's first of all, it's also colors. Color is singular. Okay, are we clear on that? Number 3. Anyone's got a question on this? No?
No, we understand.
Great, that's good.
Very fair.
Okay, Raphael, right? Raphael is the French name actually. Raphael. I have a cousin actually who's called Raphael. He lives in France. Raphael, writing stories and has written several semi-true stories this year.
Likes.
Both of you say likes. Why is it likes?
Because it means to be multiple stuff.
Okay, first of all, who are we talking about?
Raphael.
Raphael is singular or plural? One or many?
Singular.
So can it be like or likes? Singular.
Likes.
Yes, singular is likes. If Raphael and John, or Raphael and Jaden, Raphael and Ignatius, then will be like. Okay, so this is definitely wrong, right? Now, so why not? That means have like also wrong because have is for plural. Why not has liked? Because has is singular.
Because he still likes writing stories.
Yes, because it's a fact, right? It's a fact that he likes writing stories. When do you use has liked? Can you think of a sentence? Think of it
Like,
and share with me.
What sentence are you supposed to think about again? I was writing
Any
notes.
sentence. Any sentence with the word has like. Can you think of a sentence which says has like?
John has
have.
like playing badminton.
Say that again. I write it down for you.
John has like badminton.
John has liked badminton. Normally, when you use that, it must be complete with since he was
He was a child.
a child or a baby. Let's say a baby. Okay. So John has liked badminton. That means from before to
After.
now. Yes, very good. So when you're trying to say something he has been doing from before to now, then you say he has liked badminton since he was young, since he was a child. But what you said, both of you said correctly that it's a fact. He still likes it. He enjoys it. It's a fact, right? So he likes writing stories and has written. Let me see. Has written because from before to now he has written. Are you with me?
Yes.
Yes.
Very good. Okay. Just give me a second. I'm going to stop sharing for a while. I want to just stop sharing. I'll be back to this screen, okay? Give me a second. I want to see who is on, look at you because I cannot see both of you at the same time. I need to look at you. So far, do you understand what we are doing?
Yes.
Okay, we've got 2 more friends joining us.
iPhone 13 Pro and
Tommy and iPhone 13. So I'm guessing that iPhone 13 must be Ange. Is that right?
Yeah. Ansh is there. That's right. Good morning.
Good morning. Hi. Sorry, I couldn't see you as a participant earlier when we started. So I just admitted.